Hello everyone, hi, this is Pratiksha back with another video, and I hope you all are good. We are seeing each other after a long time. Let's begin. So today I am going to talk about a book which is very interesting book which will help you to have growth in your life, wisdom in your life, knowledge in your life. And the book which we are going to talk today, it is 7 the living the 7 habits. This book is meant for the courage to change. If you have courage to change, to have a change in your life, you can read this book. This book have given the 7 things which you should use in your day-to-day life, and you will have the changes in your life. So let's talk about this book. This book is by Stephen Covey, and this book is divided into 4 parts. First part is individual, second is family, third is community and education, and fourth is workplace. So the fourth, this is divided into 4 things. So first we'll talk about individual, second we'll talk about family, third we'll talk about education, and the fourth we'll talk about workplace. It is important like how we should get like knowledge about all the places where we have to be ourselves. So let's talk about the 7 things. First thing is to be proactive. Be proactive. Be proactive means you have to be active, you have to be talkative, you have to think what you want to be in your life, you have to be proactive for the things which you want in your life. The second thing is begin with the end in the mind. So it's like it's natural. So whatever we do, we have to have an end in the mind. So let's take an example. For example, if we are cooking food, so the final goal is to have the food cooked and it has to be tasty. The same goes with students if they are in the college or in the school. So the main aim, the main criteria, the main end of this, of their story, of that class is to be get into the final stage, which is good percentage. Then the third is put first thing first. This is for sure, we have to do it. For example, if we are doing one thing, so we have to do one thing at one time and place the thing at priority. For example, I am reading one book, so I will not go to the another book until and unless I finish this book, because my first priority is to finish this book. If I go or like just summary or just replace the book with another book, so the first thing which I am going to do, that will be in pending state. So that will not get fulfilled or that will not get completed. So just keep like first thing first. Always think win-win. So your mind should be developed. Whatever thing which you are doing in your life, so you must have that feeling that you have to win. For example, for students, let's take an example of students only. So for students, the main thing is, the win-win thing is to get a good percentage and to get qualified into the next level, the next class. Win-win situation in any situation, in everything. As I mentioned, cooking food. If I am cooking food and it should be tasty, that's my win goal. That everyone should like it. Then the next thing, the fifth thing, seek first to understand, intend to be understood. This is the main thing. First you should understand the situation and then to be understood. It means that first you have to think, first you have to understand the situation, what is the situation, and then try to give comment or feedback to that situation. This is the meaning of the fifth thing. And the sixth thing is synergize. Synergize means have the energy or the potential to use it to get the goal and to fulfill it. And the last one is sharpen the saw. This is the most important thing. In this thing, you have to be like mentally strong, physically strong, your soul, body, your spiritually, and etc. So sharpen your saw means it's the final stage. You are sharpening the saw like the knife who have the sharp edges. So in that, this is the last stage. So the 7 things for which we have today like read or gain the knowledge from this book is first to be proactive, second to have a win-win situation, like win-win thinking, synergize, to be synergize, then begin with the end in the mind, think win-win, first seek to be understand, then to be understood, sharpen the saw. And the last thing in this book, which is a very important part in all of us, like in our day-to-day life, is the emotional bank account. So we know that we all are like emotional in one or the other way. So we have to control our emotional bank account. So that's it. This is the book, the 7 things to have courage. If you guys have courage to change your life, to be wealthy, prosperity, knowledge, wisdom, and like you want to be into the surroundings of the one which are have fulfilled their wishes, their goals in their life. So this book is a must read book. And this book is like short stories about the one who have this used this 7 things and they got success, they got into their life. So this is you'll think this is a big book, but this book is like very powerful book. It will hardly take time to read, but small stories you'll understand it in a very wise way. So that's it for all, and that's it for today. That's it. I talk a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, do, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.